Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will find out where are the USB ports located on a Tesla. So the Model 3 has 4 USB ports. The 3 USB-C ports output up to approximately 42 watt or the 2 ports up to approximately 65 watt. One USB-C port is located in the rear compartment of the center console used to charge USB device. You can also view it in this image. Two USB-C ports which can be used to charge the USB devices are located below the rear cabin vents on the center console. You can also view it in this image. One USB-A port is located inside the glove box. This port is equipped with the USB flash drive. The secure location of this USB port makes it ideal for saving the Sentry mode and dashcam video footage. It also supports the audio files from the phone or the USB devices, so you can also view it over here. After that, this way you will be able to easily find the USB ports. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then do let me know that in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel as well. Thanks for watching.